I knew this was, no, I didn't know it was bound to happen, but this is the tape lid. It fell, came apart, and broke. So, this is going to be the perfect tester for my UV resin bonding glue. Let's try it and see what happens. Let's see. Probably not a good idea to put it everywhere. I'm just going to put it in the field. Let me there we go, get it sitting flat. So I stepped on this. I was looking for it and I stepped on it. Let's see. Well, I'll be. Seems pretty solid. Way better than I think CA glue would do. Now I'll put some on the outside here, like on the outside of the cracks, just to reinforce that part. Yeah, seems to work pretty good. Yeah, so it's just a matter of, spreading the glue and then curing it with the UV light. And it does get hard. Now I'd be curious, I guess it would cure without the light, but probably not as fast and not as hard, maybe. I really don't know enough about this glue to to say, but I'll tell you what, it works. I got it. It was pretty cheap. I mean, this bottle was $10 with that light. This, oh, they do have like a little silicone mat to. I forgot I had that. That you can lay down to glue to. You know what I mean? That's what I should have did, because it's stuck to my cutting board a little bit. But yeah, so like that. Little pouch, gloves. Yeah, it's not a bad little kit. And it's just USB. I even think it came with a USB cable, USB-C to mini-C. I'll put a link to it in the description. You can check it out, pick one up. It comes in handy for something just like this, that you want to glue together, but yeah. I'm sure I could break it if I really tried, but, I'm sure if I stepped on it again, it would break. But, yeah. Pretty good. I'll put some in there, just to strengthen that where it's split. But it's a keeper.